Cold cough is a very common disease in our life. It needs active treatment to develop cough. Cough is very harmful to people's health. If the treatment is not timely, it will not only aggravate the cough. There are many other ways to treat a cough. Most cough treatments are medicated. Penicillin is a very common drug. Can you treat a cough? Does penicillin cure a cough? Penicillin can be used to treat coughs, but it is best administered under a doctor's supervision. The quickest way to cure a cough: 1. Tea radish treatment of cough recipe. Tea, white radish method. Soak tea leaves in 5 grams water, then cut in 100 grams white radish and cook in a pot until the radish is boiled. Then add the salt into the pot and pour the prepared tea into the turnip soup. Eat it twice a day. Does penicillin cure a cough? 2. Carrot honey treatment cough formula. Honey, white radish, ginger, jujube method. First cut the radish into about 6 pieces and add 3 pieces of ginger into the pot. Boil 3 dates together for half an hour, then add honey and bring to a boil. This is mainly for wind chill cough. Lily honey for cough formula. Lily, honey method. First make the lily a little clearer, then add the honey, stir it gently and steam it in a steamer. The effect of moistening the lungs and relieving cough is very good. Especially in the autumn and winter. With this method, after dinner before going to bed to take, steamed water and lily can eat. Does penicillin cure a cough? 4. Steam pear of fritillary bulb for treating cough recipe. Sichuan shellfish, snow pear, rock sugar method. First clean the snow pear, and then cut a little, remove the pear core, Sichuan shell to rolling pin pressed into a fine powder, into the removed core of the pear, cover the pear handle part of the cut, and then fixed with a toothpick, put in the bowl, add rock sugar, add a little cold water, and then put in the pot steamed for half an hour or so. Finally eat the pear and soup. Cough phlegm effect is particularly good. In addition to the above methods, cough can also be targeted at acupoint. Moxibustion methods mainly have the following acupoints: lung shu,